Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana and this is Minnie. Minnie girl, say hello baby. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, yeah. Hey guys, my name is Ariana. I'm in focus. Yeah, welcome back to my channel guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this gorgeous fall inspired makeup tutorial. Yeah, you know, because it's fall. With a mini vlog that I didn't vlog as much because I'm very bad at vlogging. And I got to use the new Anastasia Sultry palette for this look. I begged them to go check in back to see if they had that palette, and they did, and they hooked me up. So yeah, now I can give you guys this awesome makeup tutorial. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright, hey guys, so I'm gonna go do some stuff today, but someone commented they want to see what I eat in a day. I don't know, but for shits and giggles I'd figure I'd just put what I'm having because it's so yummy, and it's just tomato sandwich bread with Lithuanian bread. Oh yeah, and this is my vacuum cord I accidentally set on fire. RIP my vacuum. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just got home from running all of those errands, and so I went to Sephora because I'm doing a fall makeup tutorial. Duh, this is what this video is. So I wanted to show you guys all of what I got because I'm not sure if I'm gonna use everything in the video. So yeah, let me show you guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. These colors are just perfect. And next I got this Marc Jacobs. It says focus. There. So this is the bronzer I got by Marc Jacobs. And yeah, that's the bronzer. You can't really tell on camera, it looks cool, but this is more warm tone. Super pretty. So they had this on sale for $12.50, and I've really been wanting this gloss. So it's the Becca Liptuitive gloss, and so it changes colors. And then this is the prettiest pencil ever. It reminds me of MAC Strip Down, but way better. This is the color Anywhere Caffeine. Yeah, 600 Anywhere Caffeine by Makeup Forever. Alright, so the first step in this tutorial is to prime your skin. I'm using the Capture Total Dream Skin Advanced by Dior. It's a really amazing serum that's also used as a primer. Alright, so now I'm just going to prime with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So I just picked up this beautiful palette by Anastasia. I am really into the color Birch in this palette, so I'm just going to take the brush it came with because I actually really like these by Anastasia. I'm just going to pat. Okay, so I have this little shadow thing I just like to do. I'm going to take the color Bloom, that nice pinky shade in there. And what I like to do with colors like this is to really make the eye pop and bring extra dimension. I like to put colors like this more towards the inner corner crease, and not bring it all the way. Just in the inner to the middle. Now I'm taking that dark brown in this palette here. I'm going to be putting that in my outer crease here. Ooh, this is nice and dark. Alright. Now with a clean brush, take this and blend it side to side. gonna go back in with the color Birch. Put that color back over here. Now I'm taking the color Pearl, this beautiful shimmering whitey champagne color, and I'm putting that in my inner corner. Ooh, come through. Come through, Anastasia, yes. So I'm taking the color Cinder right over here. And yeah, I'm gonna pat that on the eye. I'm taking the color Noir and I'm tapping a wing-like shadow thing, kind of winging out the shadow look and deepening the outer corner a lot. So I'm just gonna kind of blend this way and diffuse it. Now I'm taking a wipe, and what I'm gonna do is take basically the corner of my nose and go upwards and I drew a line. Now that our wing is on fleek, I'm gonna blend even more. I'm taking the color Fresh and I'm gonna be putting this right under my brow bone. Diffuse it all out a little more. Okay guys, so I put my lashes on. Lashes by me, coming soon. Okay, so back to eyeshadow because we're almost finished. Gonna go back into that pearl shade, you know, because it's the most prettiest highlight. And I'm gonna reapply that back in my inner corner just to brighten it up even more. Now under the brow bone. I'm just taking the Marc Jacobs Brownie pencil and putting that right on my waterline. So I'm also gonna kind of line underneath. I'm gonna go in with this it's an It Cosmetics brush and it looks like that. And I'm just gonna kind of blend underneath. Now I'm gonna dip into the eyeshadow called Dystopian. That nice dark brown here. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of go over that. So this is the final makeup look. Let me zoom in more so you can see the eyes. Alright, so we have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see because I love to make videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.